360 no scope through the camera is crazy.
No, forget. I ain't doing shit, bro. I'll just delete everyone else's shit and say I done it.
So right now, my man did the equivalent of walking in water right now. I'm telling you this right now.
Boys, we're back.
We're back.
It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but
Yeah.
what? Big pause. But what are we doing today? Each of us gonna get 3 minutes to do whatever they want.
Five. 3 minutes.
Five.
Short.
3.
Computer, man.
Nah, 3 minutes, bro.
Computer slow, my bro.
Don't do that. Don't do that. MSI things. Don't do that. Bet. So apparently I'm starting this project, innit? Nah, the pressure of starting first is crazy. Four.
Extra minute.
So these guys are admitting that they're not skilled. So
Oh,
apparently,
crazy.
I know I'm chatting a lot of wise.
Guys,
Guys, no genre, right?
Huh?
Okay, how about this? If I set a tempo, does it mean that it stays like that?
Yeah.
Or anybody can set.
I swear anyone can do it.
I bet.
Fuck. Alright, cool.
Bet. Okay,
So I
I'm
don't do
scared.
anything.
Okay.
Wait, are we not working together to make a beat though?
Yeah, but we can do anything with.
I mean, yeah, you can, yeah.
Like, don't
Even to
just.
slow it down, you can slow it down. Cool.
Oh, no, I'm scared. I'm
Alright,
going first
3,
is pressure, bro.
2, 1,
Go.
Let's go. Tell us what you're doing, man.
I have no idea, bro.
Why not put some drums in first, man? Make a drum pattern. Don't play keys, that's my thing, bro. You're stealing my whole fucking thing.
I like that. We will have something.
Bro's got one chord. You have something.
Oh, let's make a jersey real simple.
Oh, actually, I know.
And the melody, bro.
I don't know what I'm trying to do.
Just one note, just move it up and down the whole scale. Just like, yo.
Cool.
Got a minute and a half.
What? Is that it?
Yes.
Listen to the whole thing in context, bro.
Innit?
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. A minute. Oh, man, I'm so...
Minute and a half.
That's fine to me. How long do I have?
1 minute.
I bet.
Give us a drum loop or something then. Jeez.
I never bounced anything like ever.
Trust me, can I tell you something? I never used to do it, but it helps you not faff around and like go back and do you know what I'm saying?
Exactly, bro.
This is how I suffer.
That shit's not a joke.
I'll do some of this.
Okay. Expand as well. Yeah, say that's what the business, bro.
20 seconds.
Damn.
What is that scale next then?
I guess, yeah.
Don't worry, bro. I'll continue.
Easy.
Oh.
6, 5, 4,
Cool.
3.
There you go. I'm cool with that.
Next.
I'm cool with that.
Time's up. For me.
If you want good soul samples like that, in the description,
yes.
I got you. Free stuff, free royalty, free stuff. I got you, bro.
Wait.
Alright, bet, go on.
Yeah, obviously, it's your boy SK. If you know, you know. Don't worry, you know who I am. Come on, man. Don't be silly. Go follow them on podcast.
Wait a minute. Who are...
Anyway, listen, let's go, man. Let me show you how it's done.
Switch. Wait, this one here.
This one?
Real time stretching.
Oh, does
Now
that
everything.
thing...
Now everything.
Oh,
Every
do you
every
know-
single
do
Do
you
you know what?
So
I've
I
been
spread
individually...
When I found that shit,
I don't know what these guys are doing.
When I tell you, right, I got the hookups, bro.
You see right there, you're learning, broski. Because
I have
I've
no clue what the
recorded-
fuck
I've
is
done,
happening.
Like sessions where I have so many...
These niggas are getting harder
I
with some
click on
shit,
things.
some clicking.
I click on things.
Nah,
Nah.
this nigga clicked and you're acting like he's Jesus. Oh my God, he clicked.
Right now, my man did the equivalent of walking in water right now. I'm telling you this right now.
Faster, more. 140. I'm right there.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm gonna drill straight away.
So. Yeah. Back to the piano. Give me the piano. Quickly. Are we connected? I'm connected.
go on.
Give me it. Turn me up a bit, please. And let me just play over it.
30 seconds.
Delete. Start again. Delete. I missed bare notes, but let's carry on. What time is it? Alright, cool. I'm done.
Ooh, damn.
When I'm playing drill.
Alright, next one. on the roster.
Tell him
it's
who
the
you are,
one.
man.
It's the only.
Wow, it's Mackenzie. AKA best producer in the world, man. Come on, man.
AKA
Crazy, man.
AKA that's cap cause I'm here.
It's not cap. It's not cap. No cap,
Cause I'm
man.
here,
No cap,
dog.
bro. Nah, I should be good. I'm using this Timberland drum kit. Timberland's cold.
Basically,
Nah, I'll change it.
same
It's
time,
116 now. It's 116 now.
This the piano's already a Lux feel. This is us.
let the nigga cook,
Let him cook, bro. Listen, the electric's off in the kitchen. The oven's off. It's not working.
And then arrows, yeah.
50 seconds.
Ooh, I like that vibe. Yeah.
Like a Drake vibe.
You love me.
Yeah,
Ooh, I love what you did. Best producer in the world for sure.
Come on, go on,
For real, for real.
4, 3,
Hands up.
2, 1.
Let's get added.
Cut that shit. Cut that shit out, man.
Oh,
Cut that shit out.
Alright.
Cut that shit up, TNT.
I'm not a producer, I'm an artist. I was gonna spit some shit to this shit.
Okay. You go last and you spit whatever in like.
You know it's crazy. It's weird when you make it weird.
Exactly.
Bro said spit. What until you swallow? The fuck is he gonna do?
Bro,
Exactly.
yo, here,
What is he gonna spit?
here, broski.
He's
Yo,
wilding.
put yo,
He's wilding.
yo, put the camera on him.
Zoom in on him. Doesn't he caught him like man said he 360 no scope through the camera. Crazy.
Are you done? You done?
A bit architect, you know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna. Bro, I'm somewhere else. Y'all niggas not trying to make no beats, bro. You're just pasting stuff. Let's actually make a beat, lads.
Talk your shit.
Let's actually make a beat.
I think that shit is key.
Oh, that's still there. Huh? Guys, nah, I can't say that still. That's
Excited again, finally, man.
that's crazy. I said get them drums out of there.
He ain't got time, bro. He ain't got time.
It sounds like it's gonna get done.
He's microwaving.
Hey, I actually like this vibe. Hey.
I can't lie. He's cooking still. Go ahead, Jay.
How long I got left?
Go ahead, Jay.
Hey.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I like this. I like this. Yeah, I like this. I like. Whoa.
I'm DB. I'm cold. I rap. I produce. Let's
What
go.
does the
Let's
DB
go.
stand
Let's
for?
go. Let's go.
Dr. Box, the coldest.
Decibels.
Why,
Decibels.
wait, why is it
Decibels.
Dr. Box?
Decibels is crazy. Those are loops though.
There.
Shit. I'm running out of time. Oh man, I'm not gonna get this. I'm not gonna. Nah, I'm not gonna get this still. No, forget. I ain't doing shit, bro. Forget, I ain't doing shit. I'll just delete everyone else's shit and say I done. Say I done what I done.
Back in blood.
You get me? Alright, cool. Whatever this is, I'm using it.
Nah, you still got 19 seconds left.
Wait. Go.
90 seconds is a long time.
You mad at
10
Press
seconds.
the L bands. I can't wait.
Time. So we got to the end and we have something.
Yeah.
For sure, it started off with some soul thing, then it morphed into some drill thing. You wasted time, you.
Me.
You wasted literally zero effort, you.
I
telling
put
you.
drill. I made it better.
I was fucking with it.
Nah, I
You
wasn't.
fucking killed it and put your shit one in.
I actually messed with your thing.
I mess with
An
you,
architect.
I lie.
Cool.
You messed with this thing. Correct.
Pause. Oh my days.
He said that.
Why you gotta make it weird?
Alright.
He's always making it
You
weird.
messed
He's
with
always
this
making it weird.
thing, bro.
This is the final beat. I'm gonna play the final beat. 137
And
BPM.
then we're gonna spit on it.
What's the motive? What's the listen? Yeah, listen. You want war with me? Guess you want death. I can't do on this thing anymore cause he's got hot breath. Crazy. crazy, trying to have my babies. Anyway, I'm capping. I'm a singer, but I'm just rapping.
I have nothing for you.
Freestyling, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
The best.
Well on. Just stepped in looking all icy. Over your about outfit come pricey. Niggas try to stab me. I tell them boy try me. Make the pass out no tidy. Hop on a ride with a dark skin Barbie. Serious bad being no Cardi. She want a rock star like Carti. Told the girl raw say let's suck her. From a young age man's been in my bag from like 3 bills. To be different rats of the year. Hitting mill to the mass kid chap. I'm a young lit nigga with some different plans. The flows are insane. Me and Rihanna I feel like I'm being. I got the sauces in my DNA. Just like I just said. I get the back shot I took it you mean no cap. Hey. Yeah.
I ain't got no bars, bro.
This says like I'm bouncing it. My niggas eat up.
Yo, I don't talk too much, but I'm barking now. Do I'm on crab, bring your army out. 3 features then, but I'm charging now. I can't go through my. I can't let man go steal my sauce and bounce. Jordan falls with the sauces bow. Yo. Jordan falls with the sauces bow. Drink some run, then I get this round. Diamond teeth, man, the kid spent pound. Man, I tip, Active ones get a sauce. Active one gets a.
Alright, listen, if you enjoy what you see, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share it to your friends and your music friends, man. And you know what? Let's see who can make the best freestyle on this beat. Alright? Yeah. His hand is mad close. Mad close. No, bro, my hand was mad close.